Ano tawag doon, te? Outro kagabi. Pagod na kami. Mag-prepare na kami for day 2. Oh my God. Pagod na kami. Day 2 pa lang. Tingnan nyo guys, pasilipin ko kayo. Yan ang din namin kada umaga. Hala, parang may isda. Ay, hindi pala, dahon pala yung buang. Ayan guys. Ayan lang naman, ang cute lang. Dito na, magbibis na ate ko. Bye! We're done, we're going.
Black and white?
Pamprotekta sa mata at may contact lens. Oh, we're going na.
Ang tapis ka. Tara na!
Ma! Ay, yung wifi, tita. Baka makalimutan. Hi ka, hi!
Alam mo? Ang dati? Ano yung wifi? Akala ko yung ano.
Hi! Mag-edit ako habang nasa daan. I'm gonna go edit the day 1. Nandiyan na daw si Sir Augie. Hi guys, day 2. Sir Augie. I'm gonna edit the video. Mamaya na lang. May bago na kami pakulo. May paganto na kami. At meron na din kaming papilik mata ni ate. Si ate pilik mata siya. Hi ka, hi! Day 2. Day 2 na. Day 2. We're gonna get some... Dito, hi ka. Hi! Ang aming sponsors. Ang aming mga mayayaman na sponsor na milyonaryo. We're gonna get breakfast first before gala-gala. McDonald's na kami. Saan?
Daniels.
First time McDonald's. Kagabi, KFC kami, ngayon McDonald's. Very pedestrian.
It's good we cover with wax to protect the time. We use beeswax. And then because we want this white stay until final product, we protect with wax. We modify wax to protect white.
Okay.
Dye in color, the first we choose yellow because we want this yellow also have until final product, we'll protect a little with wax again. Second, color code with pen brush, this green, okay? And then dye in red and brown. To be batik, more color, more wax. Continue like that. Last process to remove all wax, oil with the hot water. Yeah, all wax out of the color stay until we get final product. This already final. You can see this white stay because we protect here with wax. Yeah, you see yellow here because we protect yellow here with wax. And the other color also stay in the final if you protect by wax. By the final product, you can make anything like a dress, tablecloth, and tapos until last process, we use shampoo dyes. For days.
Wow, it's just
Yeah.
so nice.
Okay, beside hand make batik, more one also we have stem. This stem, to make batik stem, okay? This process more easy because cotton already have this stem. We just put in the hot wax and press in material. You have see this wax, we use bee wax, yeah? And then we put in fire, after that melted, and then we put on the chanting. Wax come out from small holes, line, tick, like that. Use pen brush. Okay, only like that information about batik process, yeah? You can see the lady job, our collection, have a look inside. Okay, please enjoy, take your time.
Okay. Nag-shopping kami ni tita. Pinag-shopping kami. Kahit pa paano, nakaubos kami ng 2 million. 2 million na yun. Di pa, meron pa. Ano pa yun? We're now going to our next destination. Pagkat may kagapoy na sila. We're here.
Architect
so nice, guys.
Detail. Wow. Detail.
Wow. Hi, good morning po.
Sa mga break, sa mga palabas.
Ganda ng area ng pagkakagawa. Wow. Wow. Guys, it's so nice. Dito kinikinabutan din ako. Hindi ko alam kung masyado siyang kita or against the light. Pero, wow. Ayan na.
Ito na ang dadali mo.
Okay, 1, 2. Wait, ante. More. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Wow. Guys, look at that. Oh. So nice. Actually, nakalimutan ko kung anong tawag dito. Ang ganda. Ang ganda, te. Tira mo, likod mo na naman yung kita. Sabi, thank you talaga sa aming sponsor, Tita. Tita magiging Pasko. Tita. So, baka dito kami mag-lunch. We're not sure. Wow, guys. Look. Guys, look. Oh my gosh. So nice. Wow. Ooh. So, they told us that the price here, if you want to stay, will range 5 million to 6 million Indonesian rupees. Indonesian rupees? So, punta na lang siguro ako dito pagka nag-wedding anniversary na. Para na lang sulit. Di ba lang? Ate, look! So nice. Dito. Tingnan mo dun. Look mo. Ito mo, yung view. Wow. Di ba? Sabi ko nga, ipupunta na lang ako dito pag wedding anniversary. It's so nice, guys. As in, I got goosebumps all over.
Makapointay na yung mata ko.
Wow, grabe talaga, guys. Hindi siya nabibigyan ng justice sa camera, pero when you come here, visit personally, you will like it. Guys, we're going to lunch.
Naka 360 yung ulo ko.
Before punta ng Ubud Street.
Sakit sa leg.
Pero ang ganda, ate. Friendly kung kaya, kung afford. We're here to eat. Si Kuya.
Ilan taon lang?
30K. 6.
There.
Okay. Okay.
The rain roundabout.
Okay. Thank you. Good natin. Sige, tayo dyan ka. Asa ka ba? Asa ka ba? Hindi ko alam eh. Sige. Tita, here! 6. Tita, dito 6. Hi guys, we're here at the place. And I don't know what this called. Tebasari Resto Bar Lounge. Hi, sorry. Ako video pa. We're going to pick our lunch for today. I want something that has rice. Ba't ba nag-English yung saman? Guys, they have this.
Para siyang fried banana.
Let's
Pero
try
potato
this.
talaga.
What's this?
Anghang.
Kaya, ay meron na pala. Wala, pwede ba ito sa bata?
Ano ginawa mo?
Bawal. Ilin. Ano ba?
Ewan ko.
Ano yun yun?
Ang sarap na to. Sweet potato. Kasawa.
Bigila ata ito eh. Pati yung ko kanina ka, nagkamoy sila.
Ano lasa ta? Tequila?
Gusto ko i-flex lang yung mga pag-try niya. Lemon lang.
Ah, lemon lang pala.
Sarap, sibuyas.
Kasaba to. Sweet potato.
Anong yung para sure kung lemon talaga? Ayun. Ano sa likod mo?
Lemon. Tikman mo to eh. Ito yun. Gusto ko yung sauce.
Wala ako nakagawa.
Wala ko yung sa sandwich ka.
Tequila.
Kainan.
Lemon with ginger. Wow! Dami naming food.
Kumain ka na.
Mamaya na yung time lapse. You know, time lapse kayo dito. Eat. Let's eat. God bless this food. Thank you, Lord. How was it, tita? Sarap. We're gonna try the coffee. It's Bali coffee, guys.
Wala nga, mahulog yan sa'yo.
Magpasaway ka.
Guys, alam niyo ba magkano nagastos namin dito?
Italian.
Ay, hindi. Ano?
Espresso.
Ano?
Americano.
Spanish.
Hindi pa siya Americano din. Super pait pa yung ano. It's okay. What happened? Oh. It's okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Lovely day.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih. Terima kasih.
Dari si Bes Garcas.
Tiramisu. I will try the ano ba yan tawag yan? Cake.
Karot. Asan yung karot dyan?
Nasa
Karot mismo sa akin.
ingredients.
Made in China na karot. Hindi. May banana. Ba't may banana terraces?
How was it?
The view is I love you. Have no? The view is I love you.
Ay! We're gonna go on our next destination. Wow, we're gonna go now. So nice here, guys. Pag gusto niyo pumunta dito, punta kayo dito. Abot na ng 1.5 yung bill niya. Ito marami kayo. The view is viewing. Terima kasih.
Satu, balik kuning Lokman.
Thank you. Oh, they're so nice, guys. Thank you. Let's go. Here's our car. Hirap na kami. Tatawid lang. Okay, we're gonna cross the road. Oh, thank you so much. Sabi ko, tiramisu kayo. Tira makasi. Teri makasi. Oh, dito na yun. Dito na ba yun? Oh my God. Ano ba yun? This one? Wow! Okay. Ito yung may coffee plus. Sa tawid lang pala to, guys. Akala ko malayo. Sa tawid lang pala. Ooh. Oh my God, I'm gonna... Thank you so much for the blessing. We're at the coffee plantation.
Welcome everybody, okay, in our place, in Mupaka Bali. So that is our main place. And we have in here for coffee, tea, and the sweet. See, look like this. Yeah, so in Bali has the two type of the coffee. Wait, boys. So Arabica and Robusta. So between Arabica and Robusta is different caffeine content. Arabica is lower caffeine, like 1.5%. And Robusta, this is Robusta, this one is really 2.2%.
Okay.
Yeah, and this one, you know what kind of the plants? Have seen before? No. This one is the vanilla.
Vanilla.
Right. So the vanilla family, yeah, that is the family of the eggplant.
Eggplant.
Right. And we use this one for the fresh fruit, or directly can eat when the color is turning to purple color. Background of you, this one is the musang or the lua.
Parang yung sa atin na.
Yeah, musang.
Musang.
Yeah,
Musang ay tawag sa bahay.
and the lua or musang, this one is family of the wild cat.
Yeah.
And this animal right now they are sleeping because yesterday night a lot of party.
Yeah. That's nice here. Yeah.
No party animal, I'm sorry, joke. This animal actually is nocturnal animal,
Yeah,
the night
nocturnal.
animal. So when they awake on the night time, normally they're looking for their sweet fruit.
Ooh.
Yeah, because I love sweet fruit as well.
Yes.
Yeah. And they like papaya, banana, mango, and
Yeah.
also coffee berries or the coffee fruit when the cow is turning into red. Why coffee? They like it because between the skin and also bean has the gel and the taste. That one is a sweet taste. So after they choose the best one on the trees, they will eat that. Like the skin and bean, then for coffee, with the stomach for fermentation, and then like for the coffee.
Okay.
Coffee seeds and we process for the special coffee we call the love coffee. Honeymoon. Anyone honeymoon?
Yeah, both of them.
Normally when Papa drink, Mama will be happy. Yeah. But when Mama drink, Papa will be tired. Especially like Papa shaking. Yeah, the poop from the animal.
yung ginagawa
Not like
niya
this. The water and dry under the sun. This
So
is the
that's
clean coffee bean.
Oh.
Like this one.
Looks like peanut.
Like peanut, right? It's like peanut.
Yeah.
And the coffee bean has a 2-layer skin more. Like the first skin like this, and the second skin we clean again with the fresh water until we got green bean inside.
Okay.
Yeah. So when we got the green bean, next process is the roasting process. Yeah, you can have look the roasting process there. That's the one. Yeah, so roasting process we do manual. So use the firewood like that, pan from the clay, and we keep stirring around 45 minutes. Now this is the normal coffee. This is the luwak coffee. Luwak coffee, sorry. Luwak coffee, there is normal coffee. This is luwak. Oh, yeah. And normal coffee. Normal coffee. Yeah, this is normal.
It's stronger.
Yeah, it's stronger. And after we got roasted bean, we do grind. So yeah, we have like water. So thank you for helping. You can do 15 minutes.
You work here, but work hard. You are hard. You can work.
Iwan ka namin dito.
Don't worry, you can. This is Bali coffee. This one is Bali coffee. But this is luwak coffee.
What is
This is luwak. And this is Bali.
Bali coffee? Yeah, we just taste the Bali coffee.
This is already in Bali.
Yes,
In the restaurant.
but not yet.
On, if you're interested in the luwak coffee, can you try it? And yeah, it dries. Like this one is good for muscle.
Yeah.
Yeah, like exercising.
That one is also good for muscle already, but this is more good.
But this one is too long.
Yeah.
Yeah, 45 minutes, one day.
Muscle.
Yeah, good muscle. Yeah, you can touch her.
Okay na. Pwede ka na mag-work dito. We will leave him here.
My pleasure. Be my brother, right? From Philippines, right?
Yes.
From your accent.
Yeah. It is really obvious. Our accent.
Yeah. But when you meet you like walking the street, this year you like us.
Yes.
Yeah, sometimes there are lots of people talking yeah, we have the swing as well. You have done for the swing? Not yet?
Mahulog ka dyan.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Ram, dito mo sili.
Mamaya daw, tita. Una lang.
Animal coffee.
One lang, one.
One only.
Yes.
Thank you very much for your order. Okay.
Okay. It's 375,000 per person.
Yeah, per person.
Pag may dress, tita.
Yeah.
Pero pag gusto mo ng yan lang, 200, right? If she wants to just...
Oh yeah, this outfit is possible. But without dress, it's not allowed.
Ikaw na lang muna, tita.
Oh,
Yeah, because naked.
you're like a Filipino, the humor. I love the humor. We're like that as well. We got it in the video. Yeah. Guys, hanapin nyo to guys. Oh. Joker.
375 now only.
Can we take the dress home?
I told you, very Filipino humor. Okay.
Can we check the dress?
Check lang.
Grabe may mga kape.
Ganyan, ay tita, ang ganda.
Wow, isang galaka. Ano to?
Ayan yung ano, yan yung
Ang
pinakita
ganda
kanina
to.
ng private.
Yan. Here are the teas and coffee.
Ano kaya dito?
Ilagay mo muna sa picturean ko.
Ano kaya
Ayan yung ano, tito.
Can I enjoy?
Ayan yun, yung ano. Patikim kami.
Ito, ano to?
Ate, ito.
Ginger tea.
This is the... What?
Mango.
What is
Ito
this?
vanilla.
One is
Ito vanilla.
Luwak ko.
Isang kopi.
Let's try. Paglalaban ka nito.
What is this? Ginseng.
Oh, mali.
Ginseng coffee.
Ginseng coffee. Oh, you like that?
Yum.
Sarap is delicious.
Be careful, your husband, okay?
Ah, you like it. I will try it. Just a little. I don't have husband.
Coconut.
Pado ko.
Gusto ko to.
I'll try. Can I
Ito vanilla, try mo. Ayan, I told you.
Puti.
I told you, I told you.
Coconut. Avocado, guys. Vanilla also.
Yeah.
Coconut and avocado. I
Oh, you
love.
like vanilla?
We don't like the ginseng. We don't have yes
Why?
husband yet.
Why?
No. Our soon to be husband is not here. So
You have Kim.
I have already. But not yet husband.
sorry for that. Sorry for that.
You might see this.
Oh, yeah, yeah,
no, we're gonna fight.
We're gonna buy it.
We will back here. We will find you.
We'll
I have a boyfriend.
bring someone. Bring someone.
This one is so future is my
I know.
Yummy. Yummy?
Yummy. Oh, you like
You want spa? Yeah. So strong. Pwede kayo paglaw. You can fight.
You can fight for me.
Yeah. Because it's so strong. Yeah. Sarap. If you really want coffee, you will like this.
That's fine.
Coffee lover.
Coffee lover.
Yeah, mas malasa
Twice
to.
Americano.
Yeah, like
Americano, yeah.
Coffee, but more flavor.
3 times.
Yeah, more flavor.
Nice.
My God, my English is gone already. Soon, just learn how to speak in Tagalog, okay?
But your English is good.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you're practicing right every day.
Of course, we don't have a choice here. We need to speak in English. We can't speak in... Like the humor. Ay, Filipino. The humor is very Filipino. I told you. You're like a Filipino. Yeah.
And look young.
You true.
Young than
Wow.
Young but not normal.
Yeah, we want to swing. Just swing without the dress. Without naked. Who's going first? You, Tita! Yeah, your dress is nice eh. Go, Tita! Where? There? Go at We don't have a choice. We're not the one who's going to pay. Yes, our sponsor. Go, ate! Sipin mo na lang na para sa Bali. Ano, ate? Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Hindi kaya ni ate. Oh my God. Oh my God. Kuya Hans, mamaya mag-video ka sa amin. Pag kami mamaya.
Hello.
Ram!
You can sitting there, Ram.
Wow! Ay, hindi naman pala kita, ate. Your legs, your legs. Hands free daw. Wow! Safe naman, no? You love it? Okay, diyan ka na. Go! Relax ka lang, ta. Mamaya tayo doon. Ay, maganda kasi kampante ka doon.
Nakita ko sa iyo.
Ang saya niya, grabe. Sa una, yung pangalawang tulak nila yung malakas. Nahilo ko nung una, nung gano'n. Doon sa ano, una, pero yung pangalawa, hindi. Ang sarap.
Go, tita!
Going to...
Relax lang ha.
Go, tita! Enjoy! Oh,
Tawa ka lang ma. Huwag kang bumitaw.
sayang naman.
Okay, Isa.
Yeah! Let's go!
Tita, sumigaw ka.
Kami na yung sumigaw para sa'yo. More! Hands free, tita! Hands free! Kamay, kamay! Ay, hindi na kaya. Lean back, tita! Lean back! Lean back! Yan! Yan! Oo. Oh, tita, wait lang. Paharap naman. Kaya mo yan. Saglit lang pala siya. Thank you for cheering me.
Kala po.
Wala pa tayo. Ito, may harap pa.
Front.
Hindi naman mahulog yung salamin pag nandito. Pag nakaganto.
Dapat na yun.
Malakas ang hangin.
Go, tita!
Your grandma, she's here.
Lean, tita, lean. Ganyan. Yan. Okay. Go, tita! Yeah! Oh. Masarap. Ayan, malakas. Ay, mahina na.
Taas mo kamay mo, tita.
Wow!
Ilin mo lang ng ganyan.
Ay, thank you.
Talon, talon.
Meron pa! Thank you, thank you.
Meron pa.
Meron pa! Okay. Yeah, it's my turn. I love my life. Oh my God, I did it.
Experience unlocked.
I feel like there's no instances that someone passed out through. No?
All the same.
This is the first time.
Normally, they are falling in love.
Wanna fall in love? Let me pass.
Pegangan bang gendangnya? Tangan ganun yung kling.
Go, Pot.
Okay, pegangan.
Oh my gosh, I love my life.
Iya.
Yeah. So, una nakakatakot mo. Pero ano?
Doon ako natakot sa pangalawang tulak yung malakas. Nahilo ako eh.
Honey. Go, honey. Oh, grabe.
Handa. Okay.
Ah, Diyos ko, Lord.
Salamat.
Masarap dito.
Yan!
Sana pagbalik ko kasalba ko.
Dapat pala sinabi ko yun.
Oh, wait. Okay. Ang sarap na. Masarap, di ba? Wow, okay, let me. Grabe. Okay. Ako may picture ako. Okay na.
Oo, ayun, nasa kanya. Ayun, si kuya nagpipicture siya.
Kau nggak sapa-sapa?
Okay. Wow, it's so nice. I feel like, yeah.
Boleh? I feel like swing.
Yeah. I'm shaking. But it's so nice. Para kang ano tita, hineling. Masarap sa...
Oo, ang sarap no.
Ate, that's sumigaw ka.
Hindi ba ako sumigaw?
Manifesting yung ano, next time kakasal ka na.
Ay, oo nga, ano. Ay, hindi.
Tagal pa yun. Like this? Like this?
Taas pa ah. Yan.
Like this? Okay.
That's good one.
Ano po, ano, agenda, ya? Ade,
Okay. Oh my God! Oh, ganyan. Para makita yung angulo ko. Lord, sana pakasalan niya na ako. Sabi yung ano ko. Ganun yung mga...
I-post mo to ah. I-post mo yung video.
Yes! Oh my gosh! I feel so pretty. I'm high up here. At yan, iyakin yan. Dapat ganun, feel nyo, sa'yo ba 200k? O diba? Ang dami pero. May print nila ako, te! Favorite nila ako, dami. Daming beses.
Binitawan niya na.
Kaya nga, gay, pinagduyan na lang ako. Pinagduyan ako.
Like this, open.
Oh my gosh, the harvest.
They go lang, tita. Go, tita, go.
Itaas mo pa, tita.
Okay lang yan, na-edit yan, na-edit. Supportive. Oh, it's okay, nothing sees. Nothing sees. No one sees. Nothing sees. Oh my gosh, I told you the English.
Nothing sis.
No one sees.
Nothing brother. Nothing bro.
No, nothing look. There you go, Ate Stern. Wow, ganda. Ay, wala pa ba? Tuwan-tuwa din yung driver namin sa dami naming joke. Uy, mas maganda yung date natin, ta. Ang daming nangyayari. Like, grabe yung challenge.
Looking up there, corner.
Nandito namin. Ram Ram! Like, bye! Oh, that's good! Wow! That pose. Yan. Ang ganda ng picture niya.
Maganda yung ano dito.
Gigi.
Hindi pag naano mo yung camera ko.
Yung dapin-dapin.
Oh yeah, touch it forward.
Yan.
And then, oh, you can like.
Yeah.
So we will watch you. Slowly. Okay, good. And you can open your hand like the.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, the harvest. It's like harvesting.
How you? Okay.
One more. It's just for the practice. Yeah. The promise ring.
No, for your lovely. Look at the hard one.
Heart?
Oh, yeah, for your lovely.
For your
Soon in Bali, right?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. 1, 2, and. Okay, good.
I'll bring him here.
Nice.
Yes. Ay, lagay mo sa... bali, ganitong pagpwesto natin.
Prepare me.
Mermaid. Kasi black kami dalawa na.
You're the guard.
Garden. Okay, wait.
Lalapit ako konti.
Okay.
Oh, what happened to you?
No. I just
It's just us.
just my eyes. No, my eyes. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, so 1, 2, and nice. And can you do like us one right and left? Okay, good. Okay, good. Okay, good. One more. 1, 2, and nice. Good. And now I make video for you.
Okay, video.
Okay. When I say where are you, just say Bali. Okay.
Okay. Ano na? When? Sabi, where are you ba?
Where are you?
Bali! Bali! So nice! Uy, rain. Alam ko na, ulan.
Okay. Well.
Can do up.
One more. One at a time. One more.
One more at a time.
One more. And later on, we're waiting for egg there.
Si mama itlog.
Mangitlog ka.
Sabi dyan nga, kasi naaso.
Dapat pala nag-retouch ako, no? Oo, kaya ako nag-retouch ka rin. Tingnan mo. Nasabihan tuloy.
Kaya pala.
Tumingin tuloy yung tatlong. Hold up.
Ay, wow, tita. Ay, nawala man. Ay, biskot na ba? Namatay man. Go, ate! So nice.
Instructions.
Sana mawala yung araw sa akin. Kasi dun yung anggulo ko eh.
Ang ganda ng anggulo ko, honey. Tumingin ako dun.
Tita, ang ganda talaga. Sun kiss. Wow. Satisfied. Ito, taga-bantay namin. Wow! Chikan! Ay, wala pa. Sobrang chikana.
Ay, pang-send na.
Practice, guys. Practice. Baka naman, no? Yes, soon. Soon. Manifesting, soon. Okay, sweaty.
It's sweaty.
Yes.
Because nervous.
No.
Are you Okay.
Parang prenup eh, no?
Ayan na, ayan na, mama, ayan na.
Look, dali, basagi, sagi.
Whatever.
Kailan mo yung sigsing? Ikaw
Basagi,
boss ko ba yan?
sagi.
Grabe mo.
Yun na, saya.
Ayan na, magsuswing yata.
Nabutan ako sa sobrang ganda ng ano dito.
Yan, saan?
Sa bagay, ang galing pala nagpipicture.
Iduyan nyo to.
Honey, go.
Paano pa yung maaraw pa daw? Ituloy natin muli. I'll sleep first.
How can I do?
O, alas 4 na, di ba sinabi ko, ano?
Okay na.
Pero ano, tignan mo naman. Paano pa rin.
Like this? Yeah. Yeah, I'm ready.
May telegram ka dito?
Wala. Ay, hindi ko lang sure. Double check.
Ah,
And then we can do like lean back.
lean back like this.
Lean back over there.
Bye! Thank you, Ray! Oh my gosh, such a nice... Yes! Bye-bye! Pogi. Bye-bye! 600,000. 600,000 lang pala kasama na yung kape.
Hindi, yung kape, binayaran na.
Binayaran na? Kasama doon sa 1 million. Oh, grabe guys.
Tama lang. Kinikirabutan pa rin ako hanggang ngayon.
Saya! Ano, ate?
Alam mo lahat naman, enjoy. Lahat ng
Super, tita. Walang hindi ano.
All the places
Lahat tayo,
very
lahat ng araw
satisfying.
nagbawaw tayo.
Yes.
Grabe guys, punta kayo doon. Mababait sila.
They're so kind.
Yeah. Mababait. Translator.
Translator.
Yeah. Thank you, Sir Ogie, for bringing us there. Boy! Yes, we enjoy.
Big statue or
Ito dati pa no.
ito yung mga ano nila pagka.
Wow. Yun, may basurahan. Yeah. Here, mom.
Ganda, grabe, galing.
Don't step up daw wag kapatong.
Uminos, kalbo.
Very couple. Grabe, sa sobrang daming nangyari ngayong araw.
Hello.
Maaga tayo bukas na.
Hello.
Ah, you happy?
Yes.
Enjoy?
Yes.
Babalik ka dito, babalik? No. Bakit?
Gusto kong punta ng beach. Yung beach talaga. Pero, kaya naman sa atin kasi kamahal-mahal ka.
Gusto ka man, guys.
Gusto mo sa Mende?
Ngayon kasi, parang gusto lang natin muna ma-explore niya ko.
We're gonna get some free eats and then kapag inabot ang time, magsusunod na. Hi guys! I forgot to update you but we are on home at the hotel and as what you can see, nakaganto ako kasi we're gonna go swimming kasi bukas wala na kami time. Kitang-kita yung mga fats, my gosh. Hindi nakapag-exercise sa Manila. Pero waiting ako sa Grab. Where is my phone? Nag-order kami ng aming dinner. Naku ko nag-charge. Okay, still charging. Hindi ganda na-charge this. Finish charge si ate. hindi ako makaswimming kasi nagkausap ako sa Grab. Oh my God. Swimming muna ako saglit. Bye! Hello, Louie! Hello, nanangilig ako niya. Sige. Gusto ko tayo. Doon siya. Oh my God! Agot mo yan? Bakit ko? Bakit? Alam, nakikita ka sa camera, oh. Sama ka? Dito sa baba? Baba ka, dali. Ito ka, kuya. 1, 2, boom! Sabi, nakakatakot. Parang, si tita?
Malalim ha.
Mali ko na.
Ayoko.
Hello guys.
Kain.
Kain na kayo.
Bebe time na! Guys, we are ready to sleep. 10:53 na. Maaga pa kami tomorrow. Magigising kami ng 3:30. Sana! Then, mag-upload lang ako ng video ng day 1 or bukas na basta. Then, tutulog na. Night!